Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi! You know what I'm saying? So for today's video mga mami, I'm going to share it with you my scents that I bought to Ellison PH. But before that, okay, kakagaling ko lang galing La Union. I'm so pagod. Driving, my feet is, under the ground. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang maligo and then kakatapos ko lang mag-ahit ng aking bigote. Yes, right. May bigote. Ang sumpa. So now, I'm going to use my bago matulog. The CK1. This one, guys. I know, guys, mga nakagamit na rin kayo nito before or yung mga asawa niyo, jowa niyo, kapatid niyo, di ba? So, binili ko lang din siya kasi nga, hindi ko pa siya na-experience. So now, ubos na siya. Paubos na siya actually. Konti na lang, Isang patak na lang yata to. Charing. And then, of course, ang first ever ko nabili kay mother is the Armaf, the Club de Nuit. Sabi ko kasi, gusto ko magkaroon ng pabangong amoy pera. So, she recommended this. And in fairness naman, amoy may pera. Kahit wala akong pera, mukha ka may pera at amoy mapera ka. That's it. Okay, that's the Club de Nuit. Malalaki to. I also have the Prada. This one is Prada Carbon Black. So, ginagamit ko naman to pag may event or kung may meet up ng client or siguro may invites. And so, ito yung ginagamit ko. Paubos na rin siya. My goodness. Ang aksaya ko magpabango. And of course, one of my favorite, actually my top favorite as of now, okay? Kasi this one is very seductive ang amoy. Bukod sa seductive, oh my goodness. Look at the bottle. It's like a pyramid or triangle. Pero ang pinaka main point here now is yung kanyang amoy. May pinagkamulan akong babae dito, dear. Oh, ganito buhok ko Sabi nila, sir, amoy babae ka. Sorry. What? Ang bango ng pabango niya, sir. Sorry, sabi ko, ano po yun? Prada lang po yun, sir. Ang bango, sir. Amoy babae po kayo. Hindi ko alam kung naglalaway na ba si kuya. Sorry. So, this one is Prada Paradox. That's it. Okay? And of course, may binigay client namin naman. Galing ata siya abroad noon. Eto siya binigay ng client. Matagal na rin namin client to, bili sa amin ng bag. Grabe. Ayan, mabango din siya. From, Ferragamo. For home. Mabango siya. In fairness. So, kung bibili kayo ng mga perfume, just go to Ellison PH Main. Yes, this one. Oh, kabog. That's Ellison PH Main. Nag-live yan sila everyday actually. Bilis din ang shipping yan. Bongga din ang packaging yan. Parang kabog luxurious. I got you. Siya. Good night!